Ready to unlock the secrets hidden within your call data and transform your customer interactions with laser-focused clarity using Retell AI. First, let's jump into the Retell AI platform. From your dashboard, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your call data, including key metrics like call volume, average call duration, and even sentiment analysis. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available data points. The platform is designed to be intuitive, meaning you can easily navigate to the information you need. Now, let's dive into the actual call data. Navigate to the calls or recordings section. Here, you'll see a list of your calls, organized by date, time, and other relevant details. Click on any individual call to access its detailed information. Each call has everything you need, from the entire call recording, the full transcript, and the conversation playback. Controls are at your fingertips, allowing for quick listening. Next, let's explore the transcripts. You can download the transcripts and easily search for specific phrases and topics mentioned during calls. Retell AI automatically identifies who spoke, which is a helpful feature. Also, Retell AI also provides analysis of calls. These insights will help focus on areas for growth and help you improve the quality of your calls. By harnessing the power of Retell AI and the data it provides, you'll gain invaluable insights into customer interactions, agent performance, and overall call center efficiency. This will empower you to make data-driven decisions and continuously optimize your operations for optimal results. Explore the platform, experiment with the features, and see the impact these insights can have on your customer service.